The desert's a funny place. There's hardly any grade here at all, but you can see there's a rapidly flowing nice amount of, that's probably 5 gallons a minute going by there, just to give you some scale. And I'm not even on a real hill or anything, but it's just drizzling here, and it's amazing how the desert spills off the water off the surface and flows it fast and quickly. And this is going to converge with several others just like this and cause a flash flood downstream. Just really cool. Desert's an amazing place. Not that this is a classic desert, but southeast of Odessa. You can see it's just barely raining.